Are you thinking about starting an LLC for your consulting business? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of forming an LLC for your consulting business. We'll cover everything from selecting the best state to file your LLC to obtaining all the necessary documents with ease. Many consultants think that forming an LLC is only necessary if they have a physical office or large firm. But in reality, whether you're a solo consultant, part of a small team, or working entirely online, forming an LLC can offer critical benefits like personal asset protection, added credibility, and access to a separate business bank account. First, let's dive into why and how you should form an LLC for your consulting business. Why form an LLC for a consulting business? There are several compelling reasons to create an LLC for your consulting business. Let's go over the top ones. Reason 1, limited liability protection. As a consultant, your expertise and advice are your business. But what happens if a client sues you or if a project doesn't go as planned? An LLC protects your personal assets, like your home or savings, from business-related legal claims and debts. For example, if your consulting business faces a lawsuit, the LLC structure ensures your personal finances are kept separate and protected. Reason 2, enhanced credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC can significantly boost your consulting business's credibility. It signals to clients, partners, and industry peers that you're a serious professional. A formal LLC structure enhances trust and confidence among your clients, which can lead to more business opportunities, especially in competitive industries. Reason 3, tax flexibility. LLCs offer flexible tax options. By default, LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities, where business income is reported on your personal tax return. However, you can opt for S-Corp or C-Corp taxation if it better aligns with your financial goals. This flexibility allows you to choose the tax structure that optimizes your financial strategy and consulting business model. Reason 4, separation of business and personal finances. Forming an LLC allows you to open a dedicated business bank account, which is crucial for managing your consulting business's finances effectively. This separation simplifies accounting and tax filing and ensures that your personal assets are not mixed with business transactions. It also adds a level of professionalism when dealing with clients and vendors. Now that you understand the benefits, let's dive into the steps to form your LLC. Steps to form an LLC for your consulting business includes: choose your LLC name, select the best state for your LLC, assign a registered agent, file the articles of organization, create an operating agreement, obtain an EIN, employer identification number, open a business bank account, register for state taxes and permits. Step 1, choose your LLC name. Start by brainstorming names that reflect your consulting brand and its values. Then, use your state's business name search tool, usually available on the Secretary of State's website, to check if your chosen name is available. Your LLC name must be unique and not deceptively similar to any existing business name to avoid legal issues and confusion. Don't forget to include LLC or Limited Liability Company in your business name to clearly indicate your business's legal structure. Step 2, select the best state for your LLC. When it comes to choosing the best state to form your LLC, many consultants wonder if they should incorporate in their home state or opt for a state with a popular business-friendly reputation, like Delaware or Wyoming. However, for most consulting businesses, forming your LLC in your home state is often the best choice. This simplifies the compliance process, reduces costs, and connects you to your local market. If you form your LLC in another state, you'll need to register as a foreign entity in your home state, which can be costly and complicated. While some states offer lower initial fees, the ongoing costs and complexity of managing compliance in multiple states can outweigh the initial savings. Always look up the specific regulations, tax implications, and business laws in the state where you plan to operate. This information is usually available on the Secretary of State's or business registration websites. Step 3, designate a registered agent. A registered agent receives legal documents and official notices on behalf of your LLC. They must be available during business hours and have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. You can act as your own registered agent, appoint someone you trust, or hire a professional registered agent service. I recommend using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent to ensure you receive important documents promptly and keep your address off public records. Northwest Registered Agent is a reliable option that offers a free registered agent service for the first year. This service allows you to use their address as your business address, which is great for maintaining your privacy. You'll find the Northwest Registered Agent first year discount link in the description below this video. Step 4. File the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization, also known as the Certificate of Formation, is the official document that establishes your LLC. This document provides crucial details such as your LLC's name, address, registered agent, and sometimes the names of members or managers. Most states offer the convenience of online submission through the Secretary of State's website. Online filing is often the fastest method, allowing you to complete the process within hours or a few days. Alternatively, you can file by mail, though this process generally takes longer. The cost of filing varies by state, typically ranging from $50 to $500. For example, states like Ohio, Delaware, and Wyoming have lower filing fees, while states like California and New York have higher fees. Be sure to check the specific fee for your state on the Secretary of State's website. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a vital internal document that outlines the management structure and operating procedures of your LLC. While not always required by state law, having a well-drafted operating agreement is crucial for clearly defining roles, responsibilities, and decision-making processes within your LLC. To draft your operating agreement, you can find templates online, but it's often wise to consult a legal professional to ensure that the document meets all legal requirements and addresses your LLC's specific needs. Step 6. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is issued by the IRS and is used for tax purposes, including opening a business bank account and hiring employees. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website, and the process is free and quick with your EIN issued immediately upon completion. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Opening a separate bank account for your LLC is crucial for keeping your business and personal finances distinct. This separation is important for accurate accounting and provides legal protection for your personal assets. When selecting a bank, choose one that offers services suited to your consulting business's needs. Compare features such as fees, online banking options, and customer support to find the best fit for your LLC. In conclusion, forming an LLC for your consulting business can offer significant benefits, including limited liability protection, enhanced credibility and professionalism, and tax flexibility to optimize your financial strategy. If you find the steps daunting or need assistance, consider hiring a professional LLC formation service. Northwest Registered Agent is a great option, offering guidance through the entire process. To form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest, first click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose Ohio as your preferred state, you'll notice that the state filing fee costs $99, which is pretty affordable and cheaper than most states. Another cool thing you would notice is that the Northwest Registered Agent costs $0. This saves you almost $200 in annual registered agent fees. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company, business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at one member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then, set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration, 1 free year. Website, hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address, business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include Tax ID, S Corporation election with the IRS 50, Premium Mail Service, Trademark Service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your consulting business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the first link in the description to get started with your LLC formation. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth business formation tips. Have any questions or need clarification on any part of the process? Comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thank you for watching.